If you want to create home screen folder on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, you have two main ways to do so. The first method is to simply press and hold your finger on the first app that should be in a folder, and then drag and drop it on top of the other app. And if there are at least two apps, then of course we can create a folder. Over here we can tap on folder name text in order to set up the name for the folder. You can press this plus button here in order to add more apps, or we can tap here in order to change the color. And in addition to that, you can add more apps also by simply dragging and dropping on the folder too. Now, the second method that allows you to create the home screen folder is also by pressing and holding your finger on the app, but we're not gonna move it, so just press and hold. You'll open this panel and you are looking for select. So if you press select, and if you select at least two apps or more, of course, you should be able to press create folder over here in the top right corner, and it works as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!